What are you waiting on? What are you waiting on? Hey, you want to record all happen? You want to record and all happen? What is that? Is this for your birthday? Is this what Granny sent you for your birthday? Come down here. Let's see what's all in it. Come down here. What's all in it? You gotta open it. Open that one. Open that one first. Put it on the bone. What is this? Happy birthday to Hoyt. What are these? Elmo squirts? Yeah. Can you tell Granny thank you? Say thank you, Granny. More? Okay, get one. Okay, open this one. Those are candies. Okay, come over here. Sit down. Open this one. Here, Mommy, hold on, Mom. Come sit down on her bubba. What is that? Yay, another movie! Yeah. Put over here with your toys. Okay, go get another one. Oh, we'll open that in a minute, okay? We'll get those in a minute. Open this one. Here, go sit on the bum. Mama, give it to you. Okay, how about this one? Oh. There you go. Oh. What is it? You got a gun. Oh, does it shoot little balls? Whoa, cool. Does it shoot? Is it a gun that shoots balls? Hold on. Let's open the rest of them and then you can open it, okay? Here, ready? It's good enough. Go sit down. I'll give it to you. What's that? Is Elmo on a boat? That is cool. Can you tell Granny thank you? More? Yeah, you can have another one.
Where's your mom when I was little?
Can you tell Granny you're 2 years old? Sam, 2. Can I help you? Did you get another movie? Oh, potty time with Elmo. Elmo goes pee-pee in a potty like you. That's cool. Here's another one. Oh my God. Wow! When he gets a boots? Like Daddy? Okay, hold on. We'll open the rest of your presents and you can put them on, okay? Look at this one.
Those are from your dad's store.
Huh? Yeah. I don't think she's let you go no more.
Pretty cool.
There's about 2.
Mm-hmm.
But they're only 6s. Let's see. Got it? You need help? What is that? Elmo phone? How cool! Let's see, is there batteries in it? Let's see. You can even hook it up to something. How do you turn it on? Oh, here we go. Look. Is he talking? Can we open some more? Cookie Monster? Okay, we'll open that in just a second. Let's finish opening these. It said bye for now, Hoyt. Listen to it. Okay, open that one.
You hook it up to your computer.
Oh, what's that? Another Elmo! That is so cool. Are you potties? Yeah, Elmo potties like Hoyt in a potty. You got some more. It's a cup. Okay, ready? Wait, you're gonna get that on the video. What is this? What is it? Wow, you stick it in a bathtub and you can play. You play it in a bathtub. Yeah, that'll be fun, huh? Okay, let's see what else we can get. Look, there's a big one. Whoa. Wow, what is this? Elmo?
Hey, how much? Me no can wait.
It's a microwave. That's cool.
Hey, how many cooks are in this kitchen anyway?
Oh, you got a card. Ready? Can you open a card? You're a country boy through and through. Open it up, see what it says. Open it. Got it? Open it like that.
Press and hold button to record your message before the song.
I got 100 years of down running through my
Sing it. Is it gonna sing to you? I like that.
Me no can wait.
I think they
Like growing
helped, or they were supposed to record one, they didn't.
like the shape of a cookie. But yet, you know what? No more. Me no can wait.
Record your message after the beep.
I got
Record your message.
Happy birthday, Hoyt. Happy birthday, Hoyt.
Hey, Hoyt, happy birthday, Hoyt.
I got 100 years.
Ready? Now open it.
Hey, Hoyt, happy birthday, Hoyt.
I got
You got some money? Wow. You want to play some balls? You want a cookie? Granny sent you lots of cookies. Hey, I'll give it to you, but can you say thank you? Say I love you. Miss you. Blow a kiss. Thank you. All right, now you got a cookie.